Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels on your story on Instagram. This is a brand new feature very few people know about, okay? Let's launch the Instagram app and let's find a Reels that it's cool and it looks good. That's something that we can actually share on our story. Something that will vibe with us. Let's say for example I like this one. So let's say I want to share this to my personal story. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on the paper airplane underneath, okay? When you're over here, you see there is a section that it says add to story. So I'm going to click on this add to story and this will automatically proceed with creation of brand new story on your account. You can edit by simply adding the original creator, tagging him, giving credits, and then click share. This is how simple it is, guys. You are one of the very few people who know about this method. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.